Rocks. It's me Sangram, and today's video we will see detailed demonstration unboxing of washing machine, and this washing machine is a combination between two, is cleaning and dryer. Both combination are available in this particular washing machine, and this washing machine original price is 10,000 Danish krona, around Indian currency 1,10,000 INR. So we will see detailed unboxing, how to fix out here in Europe. You can do same process if you are living in Europe. So all setup I will provide you detailed information in this video. So stay tuned, watch till end. So let's start unboxing of combination washing machine. So the vehicle are dropping my washing machine front of the door. Here only 99 Danish krona. If I bring this washing machine in my home, so they take charge around 500 krona. So I can very easily take this one in first floor. Currently I am using Samsung, but this one is just only washer. So I need a wash plus dryer. So that point of view I am purchasing this new one. Now we'll start. So here are some of the instructions they are providing how to open it and fix out. So it's simple. We'll see it's really simple or not. AEG. Earliest I am using Samsung. Samsung just only clean the clouds, not dryer. So that point of view I am purchasing this one. Of the washing machine, we'll see backside. Just only, it's very simple, I think so. The unboxing, you just fix out this pipe in water and just put it this pin in plug. I think so it's very simple. So I will fix out here in my home, then we'll see what exactly they are providing again. This extra pipe. Okay, they are check first of all and then sell it to me. This is working or not. Here one more pipe is this. So we'll see which pipe and how to fix out one by one. Even they provided here some of the instruction. You can follow those instruction and fix one of the V-shaped pipe like this. You can fix out one pipe here and one pipe here. So this washing machine is energy level E and C. All project, if you are purchasing something, so this energy level is very important, especially on European country. So if energy level AA, so this product is quite very amazing. But if you are doing the reduce the energy level and increase the light bill, but the E and C is combination quite good. It's not so expensive and not so cheap also. The product price is affordable. If you are going to AA, so you can pay like a 27,000 Danish krona or 30,000+ Danish krona. It's quite expensive then. If you are not understand, so you can follow those manual. They are providing manual several languages. Fixed manual, user manual for the different languages. So which language you are comfortable, accordingly select and then use it. So here after fix out also I am providing you information, so time set and all. You can see here, you can put it here powder, put it here some liquid, that's it. It's very simple. And here's programs, so you can fix out which program you suitable. So like 40 to 60 minutes also, and almost company are providing like a 6 to 7 hours for the clouds and dry for the clouds. But my point of view, it's enough 3 to 4 hours. And if you are living in Europe, so almost you can on this particular washing machine after 12 o'clock, because of that time 12 o'clock, so morning 6 o'clock electricity is very cheap. so you can use. I'm using on that time. You can. So this is a simple unboxing. Hope you like this unboxing. Even I will make one different video how to fix this washing machine in my current home in Europe. You can do same process and very easily fix out this washing machine without any electrician help, so you can save much more money. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon and subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.